Time travel is one of those ideas that makes my brain feel both huge and tiny at the same time. Movies make it look simple: flip a switch, zap to the past, fix one thing, and boom, new future. But here's the timeline of what's myth and what's real. Myth: time is a river you can swim upstream or downstream at will. Reality: Einstein showed time is woven with space. It stretches, squishes, and runs at different rates depending on speed and gravity. Myth: you need a time machine to travel to the future. Reality: you're already doing it, every second, but you can do it slightly faster. Astronauts on the ISS age a hair less than people on Earth because of special relativity. Moving fast slows their time. GPS satellites? Their clocks tick differently. Faster from weak gravity, slower from speed, so we correct them daily. That's practical, measurable time dilation. Myth: if you go near light speed, you'll get a cool warp tunnel and dramatic soundtrack. Reality: at 99.9% of light speed, your time could run about 22 times slower. Spend a year on that ship, return, and decades might have passed on Earth. So future travel is real physics, just monstrously hard engineering. Myth: time travel to the past just needs enough energy. Reality: the equations don't forbid weird shortcuts like wormholes or closed time-like curves, but the prerequisites are absurd. Traversable wormholes would need exotic matter with negative energy density. We've only ever seen tiny negative energies and delicate quantum effects, and nothing close to hold a wormhole open levels. Myth: paradoxes prove time travel is impossible. Reality: physics proposes loopholes. The Novikov self-consistency principle says events conspire so you can't create contradictions. Other ideas, like the block universe or branching timelines, move the paradox around rather than breaking reality. But none of this gives a buildable machine. Myth: quantum teleportation sends stuff back in time. Reality: it moves information using entanglement and classical bits, and it never beats cause and effect. Delayed choice experiments look spooky, but they don't let you message the past. Time crystals? Cool, but not time machines. So, are we close? If close means a noticeable jump to the future, like skipping years, then only in principle. We'd need near light speed travel or extreme gravity. Both are way beyond current tech and budgets. A high-speed particle on a ring can time dilate by a lot. A human crew, with life support and shielding? That's a different universe of difficulty. Past travel? No credible path. The math whispers maybe, but nature hasn't shown it's generous enough to let us rewrite yesterday. Here's the real unromantic answer: we already time travel, just very slowly and slightly differently, depending on motion and gravity. We can, in theory, travel to the future faster by going fast or deep into gravity wells, but it's not happening for everyday humans anytime soon. That's not fiction. That's the timeline we're actually on.